Bago kasi. Ibubos mo na. Para saan dito?
Pawis ko yan. Palang. Ayaw mo munang ibuting. Oo. Dad, may suka ka?
Dami naman.
Sipag kumain bata.
Ay, may suka. Ayaw suka. Ayaw kumain.
Hindi, wala kang lalagyan.
Wala, digit mo lang.
Kumakain mo. Gusto nang kumain, tapos gusto lang yung picture.
Hey, I'm Milo Mendoza. I'm from Fairfield, California, and this is my rig. It's a 2020 F-150 SDX 4x4 with a four-wheel camper Raven shell. So the camper is fairly new. It's about 2 months old. Truck is fairly simple, just simple airbags at the back. Nothing too special. Yeah, I mean, I'm with the this guys, the Astig Campers. So the truck is mildly fixed. The tires are 17 methods. Bead grips, I think they're 707s. 33 by 12.5 Toyo RTs. Suspension is IVAC with the upper control arms. All right, let me show you guys what we have inside. So the camper is untouched pretty much. I haven't done anything to it yet. So cabinets are what they came with four-wheel campers. Battery management is here. Comes with a 132 amp hour battery. Sorry for the mess. It's charging off a Red Arc BC DC 25 amp with a Victron controller. My ice cold fridge in there. We opted for the extra fan. So four-wheel campers Raven usually comes with one. We opted for another one, so we got two in there. Besides that, I think that's what we got with it. So yeah. Overlanding started with me and my wife. We had a boat, and we would camp and we would do ground tent, and kind of got old real quick. So we started with RTP, then we upgraded to this after a couple of years, and yeah, this one's a game changer right here. So my wife wouldn't mind going out every weekend now, so that's it.
Hi, my name is Eric, and I am from Astig Campers, and my rig is a Ford F-150 2021 model, and I run a 32-inch Nitto grapplers, and I have a Bilstein KT upgrade suspension. What made me start overlanding? Because I love nature, and I met this awesome friends of mine who were into overlanding. So at first I want to try it, but I loved it afterwards. I have a Beyond 4x4 camper located in Lodi. It has a pass-through, and I handle my power management via just a Jackery 1000 and an external battery for my diesel heater. And I recently upgraded my deck into a deck system for my utility needs. Underneath you can see my RCI skid plate for my belly under armor.
Hello everyone, my name is Darwin. I'm from Fairfield, California. My Instagram is Yota_built, and my rig is the OG 2013 4Runner. Yeah, I'm running IBAC suspension, stage 1, and as far as the tires, I'm running the Yokohama Geolander, and my wheels is RRW RR7 hybrid. Yeah, my living setup is the Warrior XL Desert Armor on top of the Westcott design roof rack. For my storage, I'm running a Wilson Fields drawer system, and then on the side I got a Rego multi panel and a storage up here. As far as for my battery system, I'm using Jaggery as well as the EcoFlow with the alternator charger. Alright, for those who are interested on modifying their trucks and doing overlanding, I would suggest take your time. You know, if you have friends who does overlanding a lot and do camping, I would suggest, you know, ask a lot of questions, build or modify your truck once, buy it once, don't redo it again. Alright.
Hi, I am Eric Mendoza. I live in Fairfield, California, and I am running a 2023 Toyota Tacoma. So far, I have RCI on it, and then I also have Advanced Racing with 35 tire, and also I added a Icon suspension. And so far, you know, I start loving overlanding. I start overlanding to have fun with my kid, and I am enjoying enjoying the nature all the time. On my living setup, I have a GFC, and I also have a OBS XL. Inside here, I have a TerraQuest customized. This was customized for me, and also have a 500 AH power supply on this rig. And I also have an EcoFlow here. My major upgrade on this truck is my rigger. Since I had my rigger, it's helped me a lot to go anywhere.
Hey, my name is RV, and I'm from Vacaville, California, and I own a Silverado, a 6.2. It's a Predator. I'm running a 22 by 12.5 with a 35 tires. My suspensions is rough country. This is a 6-inch lift. So for our rooftop tent, we use the Roofness Condor 2XL, and also the bed rack I'm using is the RCI. It's a 12-inch mounting, and for my heating is what we use, the V-board. What made me start overlanding is so my friend, my wife, she has her coworker, and from then on we went to a same spot as this one. This is the Indian Valley Reservoir, and after that we met up with them, and then they have all these cool features on their trucks, like the rooftop tents, and man, I can't deny it, man. The setup is so quick, but it's just, that's how we started.
Meron daw ano eh, may way daw para gawin. Nagsa ko lahat ng ilaw sa labas eh.